Now we're awaiting Sam Shotgun's second opponent. He went through Mae Young and Sugarloaf already. Now we're waiting opponent number 3. No way. Tom Smith, I better not be hearing this. Could it really be Hulk Hogan, Mae Young's boyfriend? Please say it's not Tom Smith. Oh, no, it is. It's Hulk Hogan. Introducing next, standing 6 feet 7 inches tall, weighing at 313 pounds, from Venice Beach, California, Hulk Hogan. Sam Shotgun looks like he knows he might be in for a little bit of a fight. I thought we saw the last of this guy, Tom Smith. Well, I guess not. There's the flexing, there's the crowd pop. Sam Shotgun looks like he's a little worried he might lose to the legend. There was the bell. Here we go. And a grapple. Uh-oh. Oh, punch. Hogan's not taking any punches.
Come on.
Oh, block the punch. 1 punch. 2 punches. We're seeing one of Hogan's 4 moves. There's the punch. All you need to see is a kick, a big boot, and a leg drop. There's the kick. There's the kick. Kick. You know he's got to be setting Sam Shotgun up for that big boot and leg drop. He's hulking up. There he goes. Shotgun backing off. Looks like he's getting ready to throw him off the ropes for a big boot. Big boot. Here comes up the rope. Ducks under the big boot. Punches Hogan in the gut. Hooks him up for a suplex. Oh, big brain buster suplex. This could be all, folks. But you never know. Oh, Shotgun coming to top rope. Leg drop. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Houston just beat the legend Hulk Hogan, Mae Young's boyfriend and Mae Young. Can Houston or Sam Shotgun be stopped?